Hello everyone, welcome back to Big J Tech channel. Here on this channel we teach a lot of tutorial on how to make money online, crypto flashing method, working tools for hustler boys to make their work easier. If you are just joining this YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you join our social media, our Telegram group, WhatsApp channel and all the rest, etc. So in today's video, I want to teach you guys how to solve TikTok restrictions. Some of you guys are having this issue, so I say let me do this video so that you guys will know how to solve this issue. It's not everybody on YouTube or anywhere that will show you guys how to do this. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so, because you'll be getting updates, different updates online, so that if you subscribe, you'll be the first person to receive updates whenever I drop my updates. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'll go to my TikTok and show you guys a proof on this. Now let's continue. Okay guys, I'm here on my TikTok. Now let me try and send message to show you guys the proof of this thing is working. So I'll try and send message. If you see the stuff I'm talking about, you can see this is the restriction message. So all you have to do to solve this, you need a source 5 proxy. It's called source 5 proxy. So I have read over to my source 5 proxy. If you haven't got this, please make sure you DM me or watch my YouTube video on it. So go to your proxy list, then search for ISP, like you choose ISP, then you search for this ISP name, Comcast Cable Communication LLC. So once you search this, you will see different Comcast Cable Communication LLC. Just go through everything. You'll be seeing different one, but the one we are actually looking for, it is New York, the one in New York City. You understand? The one in New York City. So make sure you find that ISP. You understand? So it's not something you'll be rushing. Calm down. Even though you didn't see it, this interface here, they always refresh it. You understand? They always refresh it. So what you do if you didn't see it, maybe you scroll, you did not see it, you just need to just go back. You understand? You can go back and click on it again, then search for the ISP. You understand? Comcast Cable Communications LLC. And once you are searching, please make sure once you search the LLC, to search, make sure you clear the space at the front of the C so that you'll be able to see it. You understand? So once you clear the LLC, the space at the front, you search. You can see now. I'll see the New York City in New York State. So you connect. So once you connect and you are facing this kind of error that you see your balance is not reading. Normally I have 35 IPS, but it's not reading. So some guys are facing a lot of these issues, like they are becoming that this thing is not connecting, this thing is not connecting. So the only way to know if this thing is connect, there's just a simple way. You start to know is checking your IP on your browser. You see this thing now, this app get different technical issues, so they may show technical issues. All you have to do is just go to your history. You see, you can see that the IP I only have one history this thing before. Now it has been 2. That means I've already connected. The thing is not just showing on my IP balance. So all I have to do is to solve this. I have to click the thing from this history and reconnect it. You see what I'm doing? I'll reconnect it. So now it shows connected. If I still check the balance again, you still see it's still showing 0 IPS, and I have IPS. You start. So to know if this thing is working now, to know if it has connected successfully, just go to your browser and search for this IP8 location. You understand? Once you search for this IP8 location, refresh it. You understand? To know your real IP. So like this now, I'm in United States, that means I'm connected. Make sure this your privacy is in 85. Once you search it or you do not see it, just go to this. You can also go to war.net. You understand? War.net is also IP checker. You understand? Now you can check this. You can use this. Just use this to check your privacy index. Like this place, they write this guy was, 90%. Now Once you do that, that means you are sure you are connected to US. Now you just minimize your TikTok, you clear it, you understand? You see it, I clear it, now enter it again. This thing will slow your network normally. You stand it will slow your network normally sometimes, but sometimes it depends on your device. Some devices are not compatible to it. So like this now is going like this. You can see now the internet is slow normally, but it will work what you want to do, to solve what you want to do. So all we have to do is just, let's go back to my profile and let's check if this thing will actually work. You understand? You see, I'm showing you a live proof now. So now we'll go and message now. Let's see if it will go. You can see it now. Let's type find and just, I'll type it now. So once you type it, then boom, you can see it now. The restrictions is already solved. So if you enjoyed this video so far, please kindly like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.